Hi, I'm Crystal, and today I'm participating in the open collaboration Shufflecutcreate hosted by Martha Makes Art. The prompt this month was Orange Collage, and I made an Orange Collage memdex card. So it was a fun, quick project, and I think I've got enough touches of orange here, some orange book pages, some orange jelly plate print. I also added something from the cover of a magazine, and I've got a little bit of Godiva box wrapper and this hilarious cocktail napkin. They should put more wine in wine bottles so there's enough for 2 people. Love it. So I have been working on memdex cards a little bit lately, and I did change my DIY holder. So I had made one with some circle punches and a round chopstick, but it didn't give me enough real estate, particularly vertically, for some shaped cards I've been making. So I made a new one, and I made this so I could accommodate these fun cards. Like this one's a typewriter. I have one shaped like a telephone. I did one shaped like a fan. I've got one shaped like a clock. And they're just all really tall compared to regular Rolodex cards. So I needed a holder, and I followed the DIY tutorial, which I have linked in the description, by Crafty Girl Chronicles. So she made a really pretty box. Mine is pretty utilitarian, making rails out of straws and sticking those straws into a little holder at the end of the box. There's the holder at the end of the box. And she made her holder at the end of the box using the punch that Heidi Swap sells. I've got that punch, of course, because I buy too many craft supplies. But if you don't have the punch, you can still make this. The measurements for that end piece are very simple because the gutters are 1/4 inch wide. The space between the gutters is 1 inch, and then they need to be 1/2 inch deep. And you can cut that with scissors just as easily. So either way, with the punch or without. And please do go check out her tutorial because her box is lovely, very, very decorative. Now I did find that the key to this is the decorative paper straws. Regular plastic straws are too fat. So you definitely need the paper straws in order to make this work, I think. But I enjoyed making the Rolodex card, and I think it makes a nice addition to my collection. Collection's going to be fire, as the youths say. So I hope that you will check out the tutorial and check out all the other creators on Shufflecutcreate, and I thank you for joining me today.